Take good morning, Belly. You're on my shower, meow. I'm gonna put that up. What is it? 16. Yeah. What is up, you guys? Welcome to a Vlogmas day 16. If you can hear this. That would be my cat sleeping on my bath mat that it won't let me put up. So we just got our hair done. I'm gonna make French toast this morning, but first I gotta finish some editing, or else you're not gonna have a Vlogmas for, well, yesterday, technically today. So that's what we're about to do, and eventually put something on his face. It's like you think this chair is yours. I'm gonna make coffee, Kelly. And then we're gonna have to either share or you're gonna have to get up. It looks like the little kitty cat princess didn't move. Kelly, people are not clicking on you. They don't like you, man. That's rude. What is up, you guys? Welcome to a Vlogmas day 16. I've already gotten ready. We are mostly edited for yesterday's Vlogmas. My computer decided to do a little silly thing, so that's just gonna be up later in this day. But we are gonna make some homemade French toast, so. Forgot you need vanilla. So I'm gonna finish up cooking. I will insert here what the final French toast looks like. We're actually going to take my truck today. We were supposed to do that Monday. That didn't happen. Since I already have a lot of footage, we're cooking twice. We're just gonna keep this Vlogmas day 16 just a cooking vlog. So tonight we will be making dinner. I will have him pick it out, and I will probably just see you guys around dinner time, except for the insert of the brioche French toast. So, yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Maybe I'll leave you on the French toast at least. So here we have our French toast, our scrambled eggs. I did not use heavy whipping cream, so they're a little flat today. And sausage. And she can't wait for her sausage. Oh, we're not gonna be camera shy when it comes to sausage, are we? No. And she can't wait for her sausage. She can't wait for her sausage. They all sniffed it. my Adobe Premiere Pro crashed. So my day 15, I'm reloading it at the moment. We're about to see 2 hours is the last time I clicked it. So I've been working for 2 hours on it. How did it not save any of my 2 hours of work? If you ever think about paying for Adobe Premiere Pro, don't. Well, we're just gonna go feed the cats and then make dinner. Alright, so for tonight we are making beef ragu spaghetti. Wow. So for tonight's dinner we are making beef ragu spaghetti with zucchini and parmesan. Now I'm actually gonna make it for 4 people because I have extra ingredients here that, yeah, so. Alright, so got our little bag. I do have to grab actually some more other ingredients. So actually, in yesterday's vlog, the sound, I didn't have my microphone on, so half my haul, I don't even, yeah. Then again, you guys haven't, it's not even up, it's not even finished editing. I don't know if that one's actually, so, like I was saying, this was in the haul, yeah, no microphone, and it's not even edited. Point is, we're gonna try these today, and it's plant-based meatballs. They were on sale. It's possibly a bad thing. Alright, so for 4 people, you need 12 ounces of pasta. I'm just going to use, honestly, what I can out of this angel hair instead of what HelloFresh do. So let me take these. Alright, so for 4 people, you need 20 ounces of ground beef, 12 ounces of spaghetti. I use angel hair to be honest, but I mean obviously HelloFresh is going to give you spaghetti. 2 cloves of garlic, actually I lied. You need 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to use a 2 or a whole, and then I already have pre-chopped garlic. 2 zucchinis, 2 yellow onions. I have 1 yellow, 1 red. Now the only thing I don't have 2 of is this beef concentrate, but this stuff's pretty strong, so I'm not too worried about it. And if I really need to, I have beef bouillon, so you could substitute that. I've done it before. And, whoops, specific, 27.52 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I have canned tomatoes that I canned myself and what they gave me. So, we're just going to use all of it. This is, I know, already more than what this is. Oh, and you need a half cup of Parmesan cheese. I got shredded parm, or not shredded, grated parm in the fridge. And 1 tablespoon of Tuscan heat spice. Yeah, you can use any type of like Southwest type of spice. There's this one that's called like there's a spice that you can get at like, I want to say Kroger. It's called like Zatar or Zatar. I don't know. It's pretty much exactly like this. But all that's in here is garlic, basil, rosemary, cayenne pepper, oregano, and fennel. I mean, the cayenne pepper is what's going to make it a little bit spicy. I hope this is a good angle for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know, have you been enjoying my cooking vlogmases? This angle of my face is not flattering though. So, So if it takes a while for your water to heat up, I would do that first. Mine does not take a while, so I'm gonna do that soon, but not now. Alright, so first we are going to trim and quarter our zucchini into about 1/2 inch little pieces, and I can show you a really quick, easy way to do that. And then you are going to half peel and dice the onions, and we are going to mince our garlic, which is perfect because I already have some garlic that is already minced. And oh look, this is what is happening right now, you know, in our area, and we are about to, after I cook dinner and it kind of stops, go shovel snow for his customers that he does landscape and design for. But while I chop these and stuff, I'm going to catch up on Bobby Lace Beauty's Vlogmases, and if you haven't checked her out, I will link her down below because she is amazing, hilarious, and I love her. And no, I'm not being biased because I'm her best friend on YouTube. So really quick, what I just added, like all those little spices, I just added garlic, rosemary, cayenne, basil, and oregano. I do not have fennel, but that's just a little bit of everything that's in that Tuscan heat spice. So. Can you please do something about it?
Yeah.
Why do we gotta film this? You know this is just pointless shit that doesn't go into the videos? Because it doesn't make any sense.
Oh, he ran. He's moving. He's a jumper, honey.
Stop.
Woo! Everybody
Come
take
on,
a
the
walk.
food and stuff is right here.
Oh, extra protein.
Alright, so I am going to add that tablespoon of butter to that. I'm going to cook the pasta. Our meatballs are going to finish cooking, and I will catch up with you guys when everything is done. Kelly. I got stuck out in the snow, guys. Because I wanted to go play in the snow, but I got stuck out there.
What has she done? She got stuck in the snow.
Oh.
She wanted to go outside.
Damn, Kelly. You also want to make sure you save like about a half a cup to a cup, it depends on honestly how much sauce you have, of the pasta water, because you're going to add a little bit to it that basically if your sauce is too thick, you want to thin it out just a little bit. I might not have to actually add any because I had my canned tomatoes that had a lot of liquid in it, so. I think my favorite part about this meal is the fact that it's got beef and plant-based meatballs. But we're about to make ourselves a plate, take the dogs for their nightly walk, go shovel snow, and then I'm gonna come back and finish hopefully editing Vlogmas Day 15 and then get a start on Vlogmas Day 16. So I hope you guys did enjoy this Vlogmas Day 16. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Vlogmases or you just want to binge watch some of my content and hang out, you can go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye! Oh yeah, you top your pasta with the Parmesan. Bye!